Hey guys! So today we're playing with water balloons and we're going to show you a few different games that you can play using water balloons once they're all filled up. So for this first game, we're going to demonstrate what to do. You need to stand in a line and you need to pass the water balloon over and under, like this. Toss the water balloon over your head and then under. The next person will pass it under their legs and the next person will toss it over their head. And when you get to the end of the line, if the water balloon is still alive, what do you need to do? Turn around and start again. Try to see how many you can do. We made 2. Another fun game you can play is passing it back and forth and moving farther away until one of you drops it. Which for me, it's gonna happen really fast. So I'm gonna let Libby and Amber demonstrate. Amazing! Another fun game you can play is water balloon hot potato. So classic hot potato where you toss something around in a circle with music, and when the music stops, that person has to bust it over their head. Libby got the hot potato. Make sure to pick up your balloons as Libby just did, because we need to save the environment.